Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most emotionally charged episodes of Winx Club Season 3, Episode 18, A Traitor in the Castle. This episode is a masterclass in storytelling, showing us that even the strongest friendships can be tested by misunderstandings and external pressures. It's a pivotal moment for the Winx, and honestly, it's one of the episodes that has always stuck with me the most. So, let's set the scene. The Winx are back at Alfea after their intense mission on Andros. You'd think they'd be closer than ever, but instead, a heavy cloud of tension is hanging over them. The pressure of trying to earn their Enchantix powers, coupled with the constant threat from Valtor, is starting to take its toll. Everyone is on edge, and it's creating cracks in their usually unbreakable bond. This is where the episode really shines, because it feels so real. We've all been there, right? When you're so stressed out that you accidentally lash out at the people you care about most. The main conflict revolves around Aisha and her feelings of isolation. She's been through so much, seeing her home planet in turmoil and feeling helpless. She believes the other girls don't truly understand the depth of her pain, and this feeling of being misunderstood creates a huge rift. She starts to pull away, feeling like she has to carry this burden all alone. On the other side, the rest of the Winx, especially Bloom, are trying their best to support her. But their attempts come off as insensitive because they don't grasp the full extent of her desperation. It's a classic case of miscommunication, where good intentions get lost in translation. And who's there to take advantage of this chaos? Of course, it's Valtor. He's not just a powerful wizard, he's a master manipulator. He sees the emotional turmoil within the Winx and knows it's the perfect opportunity to strike. He doesn't need to use brute force when he can turn their own emotions against them. He preys on their insecurities, their fears, and their frustrations, subtly planting seeds of doubt and mistrust. He makes them question each other's loyalty, pushing them further apart. This is what makes him such a terrifying villain. He attacks not just their powers, but the very heart of their strength, their friendship. The climax of the episode is incredibly powerful. The tension finally boils over into a full-blown argument. Hurtful words are exchanged, and for a moment, it really seems like their friendship might not survive. We see the girls at their most vulnerable, stripped of their usual confidence and unity. It's heartbreaking to watch because we love seeing them as a team, but this conflict is necessary. It forces them to confront their issues head-on. They have to stop and actually listen to each other, to put themselves in each other's shoes and try to understand their different perspectives. This is where the real magic happens. After the storm of conflict, there's a moment of quiet reflection. The girls realize that their bond is more important than any disagreement. They learn that true friendship isn't about never fighting. It's about how you come back together after a fight. They learn the importance of empathy, of active listening, and of forgiving each other's mistakes. Aisha learns that she doesn't have to be strong all the time, and that it's okay to lean on her friends. The others learn that sometimes the best way to help is just to listen without judgment. By the end of the episode, their friendship isn't just repaired. It's stronger than ever before. They've weathered the storm together and come out the other side with a deeper understanding and appreciation for one another. This episode teaches us a valuable lesson. Conflicts and misunderstandings are a natural part of any relationship. But it's through overcoming these challenges that our bonds become truly unbreakable. The Winx are more than just a team of powerful fairies. They are a family, and this episode beautifully reminds us of that. What did you all think of this episode? Did it hit you in the feels as much as it did for me? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I love reading what you guys have to say. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Winx Club content. I'll see you in the next video.